Vamos ver nesse vídeo como fazer esse flyer do Vozinha de Cabo Verde na Copa do Mundo 2026. Vou compartilhar com vocês as imagens que usei nesse vídeo. Essas artes editáveis vão ficar disponíveis para os membros do canal, através do meu grupo exclusivo. Para participar do grupo, basta se tornar membro do canal em um desses dois planos, Yabai Packs ou Apoiador Master. Nesse grupo exclusivo já tem mais de 210 artes editáveis e mais de 5.500 imagens para criação de flyers. Nesse vídeo eu usei o app Canva para criar o flyer pelo celular. As imagens que usei ficarão disponíveis no meu grupo gratuito no Telegram e no meu blog. Veja as informações que estão na tela.
Stack it up till it can't fold, huh? I just did 10 in a row, huh? I just did 10 in a row, huh? I just did 10, gotta go, huh? Go, 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 huh? Go, huh? Go, huh? Go, go, go. Get off your phone, can't sit at a green light. Look how that shine reflect like a ring light. This is my podium, talking to 3 mics. I'm not no Renner, have the team winning. If I said it, you know that I'm in it. They tryna live on the corner, I bend it. Can't take those chances, ain't talking about Bennett. When they too lazy, they talking like critics. Why you so mad? Go get a bag. I'm in the lab, I don't move the same. Off of the pass, for back in my lane. I cannot sit in one place like a stain. Sharing that paper like ripping the page. I'm gonna be the last one to remain. Walk with the nearest, I'm spitting that flame. Hop out the cycle like it ain't a thing. Doing them heels, we running up. Hotel bar after the gig. Something to sip and getting drunk. For the queso, baby, we gonna dip. Was on bad in them apartments. Started hitting the target. Started flooding the market. Started moving smarter until it runs about the garden. Stack it up till it can't fold, huh? I just did 10 in a row, huh? I just did 10 in a row, huh? I just did 10, gotta go, huh? Stack it up till it can't fold, huh? I just did 10 in a row, huh? I just did 10 in a row, huh? I just did 10, gotta go, huh? Go, 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 huh? Go, huh? Go, huh? Go, go, go.
Got me up on a late night. You steady playing on my mind. Oh, I can't get you out my head. Got a feeling I can't fight. There's nothing left but it feels right. I'm feeling you and I won't pretend. I don't wanna say too much. I don't wanna say too much. I just wanna feel your touch. I wanna be closer, babe. I just wanna give you my love. I just wanna give you my love. I just wanna give you my love. My love. Ain't no doubt about it, babe. You should be mine. Through the sun and through the rain, I'll stay by your side. And when seasons change, my love will still remain. Muito obrigado por me apoiarem nesse projeto de oferecer tutoriais gratuitos. Rafael, Ian Lima, Omega Net, Memphis FF, Henry San, Nathan Souza e Antônio. Valeu demais! Obrigado a todos os membros do canal. Obrigado por assistir o vídeo. Compartilhe. Ele pode ajudar outras pessoas também. Confira os outros vídeos aqui do canal. Te vejo no próximo vídeo. Tchau!